All right, guys, welcome to Arrow Peak by Tripointe Homes here in Kyle Canyon. Now, in this video, we are going to be touring the Plan 3, so stay tuned. Hey, what's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. Now, if you guys are new to my channel, if this is your very first time tuning in, my name is Dale Abella with eXp Realty. I'm a local realtor here in Las Vegas. Now, what we do on my channel is we go over all the new build communities here in Las Vegas. So if this is something you're into, if you're looking to move to Las Vegas, or if you like looking at new home build tours, do me a favor, guys, hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, hit the notification button. That way you stay up to date with all the newest communities here in Las Vegas. Welcome everybody to Arrow Peak by Tripointe Homes here in Kyle Canyon. Now, this community is a single story community, you guys. Now, just to give you an idea of where we're located, we're here all the way in the northwest side of like the Vegas area, you guys. Now, this area is very much still developing. You have a bunch of new builds out here, okay? We're about 35 to 40 minutes away from the Las Vegas airport and the Strip. We're about 20 minutes north of Summerlin. A few months ago, I did a video on Tripointe Homes, Alpine Ridge community. So the Alpine Ridge community, as well as the Arrow Peak, they're in the same neighborhood, you guys. There's about 140 lots here total, and they're doing a little bit of mixture of both communities. If you want to see the video that I did for Alpine Ridge, I will have a link on the screen right now, so you guys could definitely click that video. I think I toured the Plan 1 and the Plan 3 for Alpine Ridge. But yeah, these floor plans, guys, for Arrow Peak just recently came out. So I will have the floor plans on the screen for you guys. So you got 3 different floor plans, all ranging from 2,017 square feet all the way up to 2,337 square feet. Very similar in size, guys. The base prices range from $535 all the way up to $560. Remember, when you guys hear the base price, you also have to add in the lot premium and the upgrades if you want a more accurate total. So the lot premiums here, they range from about $0 to $25,000 depending on the lot, okay? Now, upgrades, you're looking with these Tripointe homes, I would say 15 to 20% of the base price is what you're looking to, most buyers are spending. I would say like closer to 20%. Okay, so you could definitely do the calculations there. What you need to know about this community is they're doing a mixture of both. They're doing quick move-in homes as well as building from lot up. So, if you're looking to get into something sooner, they'll have quick move-ins available in like 1 to 3 months, or like maybe 2 to 3 months. But if you want to build from lot up and pick all your options, you could definitely do that. As far as the community itself goes, I will actually show you guys the amenities as well as the like the school districts in this area. So the HOA is $74 a month. Okay, no SID assessment, no LID assessment. It is a gated neighborhood. Okay, now, for the Arrow Peak community, the average lot square foot is going to be 5,500. I think it's a little bit larger for the Alpine Ridge. Let's get started with this tour. Welcome to the Plan 3. Now, the Plan 3 is 2,337 square feet. This is 3 to 4 bedrooms, 3 baths, 2-car garage, and the base price is $560,000. Okay. Again, guys, you can build from lot up. You do have a choice between 3 different elevations you could choose from. Okay, I'll have that on the screen for you guys. Paver driveway is included, as well as the desert landscaping. Okay, so let's go ahead and take a look. And then, guys, if you're interested in a new build community and you want to visit, make sure you go with your realtor your very first visit, or give me a call, guys. I'd love to help you out. One thing you don't want to do is, if you go to a new build community by yourself, your very first visit, or if you just call into the new build community and give them your information without letting them know you have a realtor, they won't let you be represented. Guys, you definitely want representation, because what we do is, our job is simple. We try our hardest to fight for you guys, make sure we negotiate for you, we make sure you get all the max builder incentives, and the builders actually pay the agent fees, so it's a win-win scenario for you. The builder agents do have a fiduciary relationship with the builders, but realtors, we have a fiduciary relationship with you. Okay, So if you guys have any questions about that, let me know. Okay, guys, check out this beautiful courtyard area. Okay, that is upgraded, by the way. Standard, that'd be a window, but you can opt for the slider. Okay, so welcome to the entry door. Okay, welcome in, guys. So here you're gonna have your, really high ceilings. Okay. Again, it's gonna be like 11 to 12 foot ceilings in the, in this area. But once you start heading over there, there's gonna be like 9 foot ceilings. Okay. Okay, guys, look at this beautiful floor plan. So we got the dining room, living room, okay, and the kitchen. The way it's set up is you're gonna have your primary suite, primary bedroom right over there. Okay, and then over here, you're going to have your guest beds. So definitely, I love the separation. You're also gonna have this guest bed over here. Okay, so we'll start all the way in the front. Now they made this a flex space. So this is what comes standard, guys. But you can turn this into the bedroom, bedroom 4, all right? So we'll take a look at the first bedroom right here. Okay, this is gonna be the one that faces the front of the house. Good size too, guys. I wanna say this is probably about 11 by 12. Okay, you have some nice windows right here. Okay, so you don't have a walk-in closet, but you do have like a wider closet. Okay, so it goes pretty deep, as you can see. All right. So it looks like we do have the Santa Fe finish. Okay, as well as the baseboards. The baseboards are pretty large here, about 4-inch baseboards or 4.5-inch baseboards. If you want to know what's standard with the baseboards, just give me a call. I can find out for you. Okay, so this is nice. It has its own full bath. So right here, we have your shower tub combo. Okay, we have your toilet, and then we have your single sink here, undermount sink. Now remember, in this community, your standard finishes are going to be the Delta Chrome finishes. All right, you're still going to get the undermount sink. You also have quartz countertop, but this is an upgraded countertop right here, as well as upgraded cabinets. I'm pretty sure the standard cabinets are like the maple cabinets. Okay, also we got upgraded carpet there. Now, I always want to talk about what's standard as far as flooring goes, because it's, flooring is something that a lot of buyers always upgrade and, easily takes up most of their upgrading budget. Okay, so standard flooring would be, you would have carpet all throughout the house except for the wet areas, like so the kitchen, dining room, the kitchen, entryway, laundry room, and bathrooms. You'd have the 17 by 17 ceramic tile. Okay, so if you want to upgrade, let's say not have tile but have something like that, that's upgraded flooring. And then having it all throughout, let's say like the first floor that they normally do on model homes, is that's an upgrade. Something I recommend though, because it definitely, great value in that, and plus resale purposes too. Nobody really likes carpet in the living room and dining rooms. Now this is nice, guys. So this is going to be your flex space that comes with the home. Again, if you needed the 4th bedroom, you can turn this into a 4th bedroom. Okay. So right here. Okay. All right, cool. So we have some storage space right here. Okay. Linen closet, coat closet. Okay, so you're gonna have, this is gonna be the door to your garage. So, you will get the tankless water heater as well as the water softener loop. Another guest bedroom. Now, if you decide to not use this as a bedroom, you could definitely make this into a, nice office here, because it's pretty isolated in this side of the house. So, if you work remote, or if you just have a room that you want to dedicate towards like workspace, this would be a great room right here. You know, you do have one window though, so you know this room probably won't get as much light coming in. Okay. And then guys, also when I go to guest bedrooms and you see all these lights, no, these are all optional. Okay. Even the pre-wire to the ceiling fan. So the only time the pre-wire to ceiling fan is included is only in the primary bedroom and then the living room or the great room. So right here, so we got your upgraded walk-in shower. Otherwise, the standard feature is the shower tub combo. Okay, so we do have like a bench seating right there. So very nice. Yeah, I love how open it is over here. So straight ahead, we're gonna have your pantry. So that's plenty of room for a pantry. Okay. So right here, we do have your laundry room. So the laundry room is, you know, you have to get to your kitchen to get into your laundry room. These cabinets are optional, as well as the sink, that's optional. Again, guys, as far as appliances go, the washer, dryer, and the refrigerator are not included. So you could buy that with the builder, or you could buy that at the retail store, at a Best Buy or something like that. Okay, we also have your smart panel box in here. So that's where you would put your router and your modem. Now, as far as the kitchen goes, oh, actually, you know what? This kitchen countertop, this actually might be one of the included quartzes, but I'd have to double check, but I think this is the included quartz, okay? What's not included though is that they did a waterfall. So, you know, if you want to do that, that's optional. Okay, so we do have the upgraded the cabinets. Now they are 42-inch cabinets, so the standards are 42-inch, but I think it's just a different color. And then also we have this very nice backsplash, okay? So that's optional as well, okay? Also, you'll get the GE appliance package. So you'll have like the GE dishwasher, the oven, stovetop, as well as the microwave. So, you know, we have like a microwave oven right over here. We got the optional dual basin white sink with a black faucet. Now guys, as far as the faucets go, you're gonna get the Delta Chrome. So beautiful living room area. The electric fireplace is a structural upgrade that you can do. Also another thing though too, so you're gonna have this slider in this window, but if you'd like, you could have an upgraded center slider. So it's gonna be like a larger, you know, it's gonna be the slider is gonna be in the middle. It's gonna be a little bit larger and it opens from the middle, okay? Also here, we do have, this is gonna be the upgraded stucco covered patio. So standard is you're gonna have the Alumawood. You'll also have like pavers that come below, okay? And then you're gonna have a dirt lot everywhere else. Now in this community, I think you have about 6 months to do your backyard, according to the HOA here, okay? So yeah, let's check out the primary bedroom, guys. Right here, you're gonna have your linen closet. And you have a really nice size primary bedroom here. I wanna say this is probably gonna be about 16, 17 feet deep, okay? So we got these 3 windows here. So yeah, that's gonna come included. You're gonna get that again in the primary bedroom. Okay, that's gonna be for your fire sprinkler system. Okay, beautiful shower, guys. That is upgraded. Okay, very nice bathroom. So you have his and her sinks. Okay, you're gonna have the toilet room in the back. The black fixtures. Nice. And I definitely got to get me a shower like this one of these days. For sure. That's amazing. Okay. And then over here, you're going to have your walk-in closet. Okay. All this right here, this is not standard. Okay. Just so you know. But yeah, it's pretty good size, guys. But yeah, let me know what you think of this floor plan in the comments below. Also, if you guys have any questions with, regarding builder incentives, just reach out to me, guys. Do have a couple links in the description below. One that will help you with looking for new build homes, the other for resale homes. But until then, I'll catch you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching.